Today in Wow Wednesday, we are going to really wow you with making a catapult. What's a catapult? Well, it's a simple machine that a long time ago they used in like wars and battles and stuff. But what they would do is they would put either like fireballs here in the little cup. They'd pull it back and they would let it go, wham, and it would shoot way over there at the enemy. So I'm going to show you today. Basically, it's a simple machine, and this is it's simple, okay? It's a simple machine, but this works as your force that pulls it back. You have to have a force that pushes it down, and then the force that brings it back is this rubber band rope, okay? So basically, this bungee rope. So basically what we do is we let it go. So I'm going to shoot off. This is simple, but this little bitty thing right here, we'll pretend like this is a fireball and there's a battle going on and the enemy's over there. And so they bring it down and it's loud, so be careful, listen carefully, cover your ears. Here we go. The enemy's over there, shoot them. And they do it and it shoots it off. Now that didn't go very far, okay? But think about a huge one, about as big as this room, well, not quite big as this room, and shooting it off like that. So that's our catapult. That's our big one. Now you're going to make one today, a small one, just your size. So what you're going to need are popsicle sticks or tongue depressors. You can use any color. These are just some that I had in the in my office. You'll need 10 of them, so 10 tongue depressors, some rubber bands, some bullets or something to shoot. This is off of a water bottle cap, and our glue gun. So, oh, and you might need a pair of scissors too. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 8 of these bad little boys, okay, put them together. Take a rubber band and you're going to take it and you're going to wrap it around, wrap the first one around one end of that stack of 8. Then take the other one, wrap it around the other end of that stack of 8. Okay? All right. You may have to take them off in a little bit, but yeah, I think well, I'll show you. All right. Now, these two are going to be your triggers, I guess you'd call them. So what you want to do is you want to cut a little bitty V in them with your scissors. Okay? All right, so here and on the other side, be careful not to cut all the way through it, but that's where one rubber band's going to be. Okay, and you want to do the same, about the same place on your second one. Okay, there. So now we have them too. Then we're going to take a rubber band. We're going to put the rubber band and wrap it around where those notches are, okay? And just make it tight. Wrap it around, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. Okay, so there you go. I like a duck bill, quack, quack, quack. Okay, so the next thing we've got to do, and probably going to have to loosen one of these sides up. So you're going to take the bottom one, just like this. You're going to slide one of those like that, okay? So that you have like a T, all right? Now, take that rubber band and put it back on the end so it'll be good and tight. All right, so there you go. Now, the next part is real simple. Take our bottle cap, put a little glue on it, put it on the end of that. Okay? So now you have completed your catapult. Now, where you put, this is called the fulcrum, but where you put that kind of depends on how far you want to shoot it. So here, you're going to shoot it, but it's not going to go very far. But if you push it all the way up here, there you go, like that, it'll shoot, okay? So let's take one of our projectiles, okay? And when you hold it, you want to hold it so that it you kind of stabilize that bottom piece. Let's see what happens. It shot better than the big one. Let's try another one. Ooh, almost got it in the garbage can. Shoot it at you. Yeah. All right, one more. All right, so what you can do with this is you and your friends can make some, and you could do a little bit of trying to figure out, do a little research, okay? So you could do it, move it in a little bit. How far will it shoot there? You move it up, how far will it shoot? So you can have contests to see who can catapult or shoot off your little pom-poms or whatever you're shooting, peas, anything. You can also take a plastic spoon and attach here. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can take let's pretend like this is a plastic spoon. Don't put that on there. Let's pretend this is the top. What you could do is you can put the rubber band here and one here, and the spoon would act as your cup, okay? So, Catapult 101 with Miss Beth. You guys have a great Wednesday. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.